Hi, I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips Team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty, and I'd like to tell you how we sold 31192 Black Eagle Drive, Unit 203 in Evergreen, Colorado. We were able to get this condominium under contract in one weekend, multiple offers, over ask. And how we did it was with our top-notch marketing that we put in place for every single listing that we take on. If you'd like to know more about our marketing plan, reach out to us and we'll come visit with you. Meanwhile, this is the video that we put in place that actually sold this property. The buyer that came in through our open house, and they said, "Oh my gosh, I loved this video and I knew this condo had to be mine the minute I saw it." So if you want to sell your condo with top-notch marketing, with top-notch agents, give us a call. Convenience, on-trend design, and turnkey living is what this condo is all about. Built in 2020 and lived in for less than a year, this home embraces exceptional North Evergreen living. Hi, I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips Team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty, and I'd love to take you on a tour of this truly special home. On the ground floor, providing easy access, 31192 Black Eagle Drive in Evergreen, Colorado, is positioned as an end unit on the northwest corner of the building. Its location offers private living among mature pine trees and lush landscaping. The open floor, soaring 9-foot ceilings, and walls of windows creates a bright and open, spacious place to gather and entertain. The generous living area offers ease of living with an electric fireplace as the anchor, creating a mountain modern feel in this charming space. And just off the living area is a cozy dining room where you will find the private patio waiting for you to enjoy a Colorado bluebird day. Open to the dining and living areas, the modern kitchen embraces today's on-trend design with quartz countertops, soft close cabinetry, a gas range, and stainless steel appliances. This chef's kitchen is the centerpiece of this contemporary home. Effortless living continues as we flow into the 3-bedroom and 2.5 bathrooms. 8-foot wooden doors greet you as you enter each room, and oversized windows flood each space with natural light. The owner's suite is tucked away, catering to privacy and relaxation after a fun day of Colorado living. Work from home with Xfinity high-speed internet while taking a quick break for an easy hike to the trails and open space just out your front door. This condo is also walking distance or a very short drive to local shopping and restaurants, adding to your easy living lifestyle. This home is within minutes of I-70 and an easy drive to Denver or world-class skiing. Foothills living has never been so convenient. What are you waiting for? For more information on this property or to schedule an appointment, reach out to us at phillipsteamco.com.